What if I told you that having a super sweet and fun retro cruiser bike was cheap?
Let me show you.
This is my 1980 Suzuki GS450L, and it's been off the road for 24 years. Tucked somewhere deep in a barn collecting dust. You know, it's in pretty good shape considering the condition that it's in, but I think with a little bit of elbow grease, this thing could be really cool to just cruise around town on, and that's exactly what I plan to do.
So the idea is to, whoop, oh boy, okay. The idea is to take this bike from to, that's not that bad.
But before we do that, partner, we gotta knock the dust off of this horse. See, it's collected just as much dirt and dust and grime that you'd find on the tavern floor out west. We gotta take care of that first. You hear me?
All right, enough of that. Let's actually work. Honestly, the bike needs to come apart in order to get this how it should be, and I know what's gonna happen if I take it apart. The idea is not to restore this, it's to refresh it and mod it. It's not like a resto mod, but it's more of like a refresh-do mod. I like that, refresh-do mod. Refresh, it rolls off the tongue nicely. So now this thing smells like a pickle. I guess it could be worse. Well, that didn't do much of anything, so time to break out the big guns. Muriatic acid. This could be used as a brightener, as a cleaner, as
Huh? What?
You don't want to leave it on very long, and if it touches your concrete, it'll also etch your concrete. Basically, that's what this is used for anyways. It's etching it. Oh, that was smart. Burned by Mr. Chrome Signal. I was hoping that this would clean up a bit more, and I'm probably, yeah, it's coming off a little bit more. I might try some other things on this to see just how well I can get it. Well, it's about as good as it's gonna get for where it's at the moment. Now, I don't have a plan for the bike, and I guess that's my plan, so. But what I do know is there's some things on this bike that I'm not gonna be keeping. So, let me grab some tools, take the stuff off that I know I don't want, and hide them, because I might feel compelled to clean them up or make them nice just because that's the hoarder in me talking. Takes stuff off. Oh my gosh, Phillips head screwdriver. Yes, I have a Phillips in the garage. It's over there. And a flathead. Are you kidding? I need to mow, and I need to rake these leaves. Cool, ate the first bug of the season. I had to go back and get Phillips. Oh. Oh no. Power stance. Either I'm gonna break the bolt, screwdriver, or I'm gonna give myself a hyena. Okay. Oh, I'm seeing stars. That's, hey. Did that loosen it? Oh my gosh, it loosened it. I knew that the whole time. Already looks better. Yep, okay. Ow!
that's working.
I seem to have gotten myself into a predicament. The U-bolts won't clear the exhaust. Maybe if I do this. Ha! Got it. I think it looks nicer. It doesn't look like a real cruiser. It's kind of like an in-between, which these bikes, they made like 3 different models of them. One was more of a cruiser, one was more sporty, one was letters. This is an L. If you know what that means, please tell me, because I'm really confused at what the GS designations were. The bike is peppy. It's light, it's nimble. Cruiser, sport cruiser, a spruiser. Oh, V8 S10. My idea is not to spend a lot of money on this bike. I want to keep a lot of the character of the bike anyway. It's sat for 24 years. It's earned its story. But for now, I just want to enjoy it. Okay. Actually, we should probably make sure it runs still. It's been like 8 months. At least get it started. Where am I going? I need a jump pack. Key, got it. Starting fluid probably is not a bad idea. Yeah, jump pack. Of course, I forgot my jump pack somewhere else. Where are you? See if that works. Oh yeah, that did it. Yeah, thought so. Oh, it's wanting to. Oh, look at that. 8 months. Oh, spoke too soon. Yeah, I think only 1 cylinder's firing. There's 2. 1. Yep, that's warm. That is not. Yeah, this side doesn't want to fire. As much, at least. That started way simpler that time. Oh, there we go. Now it's just coming in. Don't die. No. Yeah. That's right. What was I saying? Hang on, that reminds me. I've got things for the motorcycle, which brings me to what I want to ask you. And that, what should I do? Just enjoy it for the summer? Or should I kick it into overdrive and do what I'm planning to do to it? All budget-friendly stuff, nothing crazy. It's on my list of would do if could do. Anyway, you don't want to miss whatever is coming up, whether it's on the motorcycle, the Trans Am, bus, some of the other cars and other things. And I don't know why I'm doing that. Hopefully this year, I'll reach 1,000. Subscribe to the channel because you'll probably like this video, and check this one out because it's different, but it's pretty cool. Bye.